So the man's out here, Andrew. Look at him, looking so damn funny. I gave him a cut the other day, so he came back for more so I could touch him up. I'm a man of many talents. I gave him a nice little buzz, looking kind of crisp, but he wants it tighter because he's going to Disneyland to play with Mickey's balls and shit. But I'll catch you later. See you on the flip. Ready for this cut, Andrew? Tell him. Say aye aye, Captain.
Aye aye, Captain.
I can't hear you.
I'm ready.
Alright. So we're out here. It's another hot as fuck Saturday. I'm not looking forward to being outdoors at all, so I'm staying inside doing some much needed cleaning, working on a project with Tyler. You guys will see about that pretty soon. I don't know why I'm fucking tired already, goddamn. It's probably because I'm hungry. So my body's just like eat, 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 eat. So I'm gonna fucking enjoy the fuck out of this meal. Just made it, super excited, salivating. You have no fucking idea how excited I am for this shit.
Usually when I get off work, I either go there or go home. And I've been going home after work. I don't know, I just feel tired lately. I do need to take my ass back there. I can't be like the females around.
408.
916?
408.
408.
775. Alex A.L.E.X.
So interesting thing, that was probably the funniest encounter I've ever had at this Hawaiian barbecue place. Because last time, I was drunk as fuck with my friend. We came out for the day rage for like pre-4th of July type shit. And he dared me to ask that girl for her number. And she told me she had a boyfriend, so she couldn't give me her number. So ironically right now, I just went in there by myself this time. I was pretty nervous because I thought I made a fool of myself. And she asked me to work out with her at Planet Fitness. And I told her I was YouTube vlogging. And I kind of snuck a video of the whole conversation of her asking me for her number, which is absolutely hilarious because she's 30 years old. I told her I was 24. She probably thought I was 18. And when I told her I was 24, she got really reassured that shit could happen, I'm guessing. She started talking about a relationship, it got really awkward, and I was like, alright, thank you, gotta go. But I got my food though, that's the main part. I got my shit right here. It's fucking good, it's fucking great, I'm excited. So I'm home, I'll show you what my food looks like and why I'm absolutely in love with that place. If you're ever in Sacramento area or like around the La Rib area, just be sure to check it out. Damn, this motherfucker burned my chicken though. Shit, look at it. This is what I'm working with. That's good. So you got rice, chicken teriyaki, and some chicken katsu. Fucking amazing. If you haven't had it, be sure to have it. Yep, so I just devoured that meal. I'm absolutely stuffed. Tyler's about to come over. The kid hasn't been seen in 2 weeks, so I'm super excited. We're stuffed. I'm gonna get up no good. Gang, gang. You know this shit.
Yeah, look at the boy. The boy is here, cheesing more than ever. Ooh, ooh, look at him getting on daddy's bed. He knows the drill. He's shy.
So the real reason behind Tyler being here is because we are future roommates and business partners. We've been best friends forever ago. And currently we're working on this revolutionary app idea. It's going to be fitness based. Some of you guys might have heard it or heard a concept of it from me before. But we're looking to bring this shit to life and have you guys try it out and see how it goes. The boy's working right now over there. Yeah. Yeah, keep your eyes out. I'm really excited about this app idea because each time we meet up to discuss more about it or figure out like the template and information in detail, we always come up with new creative ways to like make it better. Like they're genius, and he's laughing over there, but he knows we got gold ready to hit the web, the interweb. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yes, I'm weird as fuck, motherfucker. Accept it.
Would you take my breath?
Got the homie Kevin Doyle Fitness. Getting it. Legged it.
I'd never take it back or ask to change your act so you could feel again. But as time moves on and these enemies break.
What's up, guys? It's Alex Elko here again, about to go hit leg day. This is going to be my second leg day of the week. I torched it the other day on Wednesday with Kevin Doyle Fitness. Check out his page. He's a great guy, motivating, definitely teach you some good stuff about bodybuilding and fitness as well, and nutrition especially. So check out his page for sure. He's a good resourceful guy.
I'll be there if you fall down.
Writings on the wall inside my head, inside of me, holding all these thoughts beneath my.
So I'm not a fan of the leg extension machine because I have bad knees and they just ache, and I feel like it pulls the ligaments in my joints away. So this one's a really good variation I like to try. Check it out. If you don't have a machine, utilize one like this and make it different.
feet.